Hey YouTube friends, so I wanted to come out here and show you guys how to keep squirrels and raccoons off your bird feeder. I've been at this forever. I don't even know how many years until I found the solution. Many years. Squirrels are relentless. I've seen squirrels jump as high as 5 feet, maybe even more, 5.5 feet. Forget the baffle. The big, jumping squirrels will jump over the baffle and get to your pole. Forget it. It doesn't work. Homemade stuff, you can check on YouTube searches. That stuff doesn't work. It's actually hilarious, but it doesn't work. So you have to do something to combat this animal because they are just unbelievably relentless. The first thing I want to show you is, I'll show you right now, the whole thing, is you need an 84-inch pole. Reason being is that you need 7 feet. You put it in the ground, you might lose 6 inches. It's got to be 7 foot pole for the feeder. You put that in, it's got to be flat to the surface, and make sure it's in the ground. Also, very important, do not put this near any trees because squirrels will go up the tree. They'll, jump from the tree to your feeder, or they might even get hurt with this. I would not put it near any trees at all. Keep the branches and trees away from this. So here's the deal: you have the pole, and you get this cylinder. It's silver now, but you could paint it any color you want: white, light blue, light green for spring. It really is more attractive if you spray paint it, and it'll dry in 5 minutes. This you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's for 15 bucks, and get the extra wide one, not the skinny ones that plumbers use. This is just sheet metal. So all you do is you wrap it around the entire pole, including the base, and make sure the grooved part is at the bottom, not the top. And it's very easy to put in. There's latches in here, and you just put them in the whole latch going down, and it locks in. And this is the solution, because there is no way a squirrel can climb that up this cylinder, and no way a raccoon can climb up, because number one, their nails can't dig into anything, and number two, they can't put their arms around it because it's too wide. They can't get up it. It's impossible. I haven't seen a squirrel on my property in 5 years near the feeders. They go elsewhere now because they just give up. So again, you just need the 7 foot pole, 84 inches, the extra wide cylinder, which is about 6 feet. Don't get the skinny one. The other thing you might want to do is just, really to play it safe, is put some rocks around the bottom, like this. And the reason I'm saying that is because sometimes chipmunks will try to go under the rocks and dig in and work their way up. So we don't want them to do that. Put some rocks around it, flat rocks, just to keep them out. And the last thing, just because you hate to see a bird get caught in that cylinder, who knows if they hit the pole or something like that. If you want to put something at the top, some kind of plastic top, or I put a rock like this, just so they can't, hit the pole and go down, and then they can't get out, they'll die. That's just the last thing. So again, guys, don't waste your time anymore. This is the answer. You will be so happy you did this, because you'll never have to worry again about a squirrel or a raccoon. So again, I'm glad I could share this with you guys, share it with your friends. For 15 bucks, you will never have a worry again in the world about your bird feeders. And I would just, a couple things I want to show you too, is I will hang the feeder up, and you can see, okay, that's right there, and the birds are free to eat what they want. No worries. The last thing is, what I want to show you is over here. This is I did this in blue. You could do this any color you want, but as you can see, it goes all the way around. And I have a high pole there and a lower pole, but it doesn't matter. The squirrels gave up and they don't do anything anymore. So anyway, good luck with this. You guys will be ecstatic when it's over. It takes about 5 minutes to install, and you're on your way. Okay, so good luck and peace out. Tell your friends.